If you're experiencing login issues with Private Internet Access PIA, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity in your login information. Step 2. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Update the PIA application. Make sure you are using the latest version of the PIA application. Check for updates in your App Store or on the PIA website and install any available updates. Step 4. Disable VPN or firewall. Sometimes, other VPNs or firewalls can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any other VPNs or firewall settings and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to PIA's customer support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues with Private Internet Access. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.